So as a continuation dun sa first part ng basic navigation lessons natin, ang next ko ituturo is finding the estimated time of arrival with different zone descriptions. So almost the same lang sa finding estimated time of arrival with the same zone descriptions. Get the steaming time or the ST and add it to the ETD. So ang formula natin is ETD plus ST equals ETA. And as a review again, ang gagamitin natin para makuha yung steaming time ay ang DST pyramid. So para sa third example natin ng finding estimated time of arrival with different zone descriptions, ang port of departure natin is Fukuoka Port, Japan, which has a GMT of +9, and an estimated time of departure natin ay April 27, 2020, 0430 hours. Ang port of arrival natin ay sa Port Louis Harbor, Mauritius, which has a GMT of +4 with a total distance of 6,954 nautical miles and an average speed of 11 knots. So ang hinahanap natin ay estimated time of arrival. So para makuha natin yung steaming time natin, gamitin natin yung DST pyramid. Ang nawawala natin is yung time. So 6,954 nautical miles divided by 11 knots. Ang sagot natin dun is 632.18. So para makuha naman natin yung days, 632, tanggalin muna natin yung decimal point nya. 632 divided by 24 is equal to 26.33 or 26 days. Then para makuha naman natin yung total na hours nya, 26 times 24 ay 624 minus 632, yung original answer natin. The answer is 8 hours. And then yung 0.80 natin, yung tinanggal natin ng una, times 60 natin yon kasi every hour has 60 minutes. So ang sagot natin doon ay 10.8 or 11 minutes. So ang steaming time natin is 26 days, 8 hours, and 11 minutes, or 26 days, 08, 11 hours. So para makuha naman natin yung ETA natin, again, yung ETD on local time, April 27, 0430 hours. And para makuha natin yung GMT or yung Greenwich Mean Time, i-reverse natin yung sign ng local time natin, which is +9. So, 0430 minus 0900 hours. So, sa nakikita natin, pag pinag-minus natin siya, magne-negative yung time natin. Kaya, magma-minus na agad tayo ng 1 day sa April 27 and add 24 hours dun sa oras natin para hindi siya mag-negative. So, ang magiging sagot natin is ETD, which is the GMT na na-convert natin. April 26, 2020, 1920 hours. So, dito pa lang papasok yung pag-a-add ng steaming time natin, which is 26 days and 0811 hours. So, ang magiging sagot na natin is 2731 hours. So, lumampas na ulit siya ng 24 hours. Mag-a-add tayo ng 1 day. Then, magma-minus tayo ng 24 hours dun sa oras. Para makuha natin yung estimated time of arrival on GMT, May 23, 2020, 0331 hours. So, para naman ma-convert natin from GMT to local time dun sa port of destination natin, i-retain natin yung sign niya. So, in our case, ang zone description natin is +4. Mag-a-add lang tayo ng +0400. And then, ang estimated time of arrival na natin in local time is May 23, 2020, 0731 hours. So, for our next example, scenario 4, ito pa rin yung finding estimated time of arrival with different zone descriptions. Ang port of departure natin is Papenburg, Germany, with a zone description of +2. With an estimated time of departure of April 27, 2020, 0130 hours. Ang port of arrival natin is Shanghai, China, with a GMT of +8, with a total distance of 12,134 nautical miles and an average speed of 11.5 knots. So again, para makompute natin yung steaming time natin, gagamitin natin yung DST pyramid. Ang hinahanap natin is yung time. So 12,134 nautical miles divided by 11.5 knots. Ang sagot natin doon is 1,055.13 hours. So para makuha natin yung exact day natin, 1,055.13, tanggalin natin yung decimal point, 1,055 divided by 24 is equal to 43.96 days. Tanggalin natin yung decimal point, 43 days, para naman makuha natin yung total na hours niya, 43 times 24. So, ang magiging answer niya is 1,032. Yung ma-minus natin sa original answer, which is 1,055. And the answer is 23 hours. Para naman makuha natin yung minutes, yung decimal point na tinanggal natin kanina, 0.13 times 60 is equal to 7.8 or 8 minutes. So, ang steaming time natin is 43 days, 23 hours, and 8 minutes, or 43 days, 2308. So again, para makuha natin yung estimated time of arrival with different zone descriptions, first, ang gagawin natin ay i-convert yung estimated time of departure to GMT. So again, reverse sign if local time to GMT. In our case, ang zone description natin is +2. So, gagawin natin siyang minus 0,200 hours. At dahil nakikita natin na pag pinag-minus natin siya, magne-negative yung oras natin. Magbabawas na tayo na isang araw dun sa month natin and mag-a-add tayo ng 24 hours dun sa time. So, ang estimated time of departure na natin in GMT is April 26, 2020, 2,330 hours. So, dito na natin i-add yung steaming time natin, which is 43 days, 2,308 hours. Then we add, ang answer natin is 4,638 hours. So, kita naman natin na lumampas na siya ng 24 hours. Kaya mag-a-add tayo ng 1 day and magbabawas tayo ng 24 hours. So, ang estimated time of arrival na natin in GMT is June 9, 2020, 2,238 hours. So, para ma-convert naman siya into local time dun sa ating port of arrival, ang gagawin lang natin is i-retain yung sign kung GMT to local time tayo. In our case, zone description natin is +8, so mag-a-add tayo ng 0,800 hours. Ang magiging sagot ay 3,038 hours. So, nakita naman natin na lumampas na siya ng 24 hours, kaya mag-a-add na ulit tayo ng 1 day and magma-minus tayo ng 24 hours sa time. So, ang estimated time of arrival natin in local time is June 10, 2020, 0638. So that ends our part 2 of these basic navigation lessons.